Hello everyone! We come up with a game controller for one hand. Our controller is suitable for playing first-person shooters, action games, simulators, strategies, and so on. Learn about all the features of our controller in this video. Our controller has a 6-axis gyroscope. If on the Xbox or PS4 Gamepad, you need to use the right analog stick to control the camera. Then in our controller you just need to turn the hand left to the right or up and down. This is an intuitive and precise control. Try to repeat my result in I'm left on a gamepad analog stick. The controller has a symmetrical body and is suitable for the left or right hand. During the game the control doesn't need to be kept in the air. It is necessary to put in on a leg or a sofa. Your hand will not tire. Our controller is wireless. Inside the controller is lithium battery. That's enough for 30 hours of play. 27 buttons in one hand. The controller can change the layout of the buttons when tilted to the left or right. The controller has a model for two hands. For this you will need two controllers. On the PC the controller is defined as keyboard and mouse. To connect to a PS4 and Xbox One you will need to have a HDMI Apex or other similar adapter. That's all. Please support our controller. Make a repost. Thank you for watching.